And remind me, what was the situation with Notnice? Was there a situation? There was some falling out with Notnice, correct?
Yeah, I'm telling you what going.
A few moments later.
Made advice the song for you, G, at the time. At the time when the song voice and thing, him and the G did have some disagreement and him go live. Him and him go live and my
2,000 years later.
That Quada is a youth way. You see me them youth then a loyal. Them man they go sell out Popcaan. Brother me not sell out. Me not nice yeah one youth when me rate on a level dog. Cause when me the broke and hungry, used to put me in your car, drive me and go Popcaan, me and my kid them and show me say, yeah man, this way you used to sell CD.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Help you with them, but none of them don't talk. Cause see him Quada must say Quada loyal and real. I mean said one Quada come ball to and complain say yo. Popcaan help him and reflex video do from when and Popcaan and dropping video.
One eternity later.
where you think go on in our last?
3 months.
And I really mean get the study another stick there because them are still family. Them are I mean never jump in and
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
People who are going, they don't know one Media Fox pan up, you know. Yeah, man, you know, I think set, man. So people, you don't know, say, Quada did then at the jail, you see me, and him get free up, you know, you see me. So, JF asked him some question, you know, about the falling out with Popcaan and Notnice and a bag of thing, but we are going to a video and make you hear what I want. Big up for the people who support the thing, you see me? Yeah, man, I want to hear what I want.
The situation with Notnice. Was there a situation? There was some falling out with Notnice, correct?
yeah, I'm telling you what going. Them family things still in because you know say him and the G
in-law.
Made advice the song for you, G, at the time. At the time when the song voice and thing, him and the G did have some disagreement and him go live. Him and him go live and my name did get
Yeah, like him and say, oh, Quada not satisfied with whatever.
Yeah. Me, you know, say dog and my G at the time, so what G's do? Protect each other. Represent CM, you make dog them know say, I want to know the way. We don't have no bad vibe, yeah, my dog said we too.
But you see that situation, you know, because I go back down memory lane. Seeing, I go play some clip. Because when Quada do wrong, Quada forward out. Seeing, and brother, you shouldn't say nothing. And the moment you do that, that mash up your career, dog. You understand? If you see the two man them a fight, it's like if you see a man and a woman a fight and them a couple. Sometimes don't get too invested, bro. Just allow it, because when you're down the road, at two and them you're going to see they back together. So, Popcaan and Notnice them, brother. A family them, basically. You see me, brother-in-law. So, see, you notice, you and them good now, you and them not good. What you should do, bro, I just allow it. When Notnice forward out come say something, just allow it, bro. You shouldn't forward come say something. You see it? And at that, mash up everything. You see me, because look at now, Popcaan start pre them time, you know, because Notnice I say something. You see, but look at now, see video here, with Notnice.
None of them don't talk. Because see him Quada must say Quada loyal and real. I mean said one Quada come ball to and complain say yo. Popcaan help him and reflex video do from when and Popcaan and dropping video. That's celebration vice. When celebration vice Popcaan gonna for him. You see him? And Quada come to me, a ball say you have to give one song. Alright, then everything good Quada. I saw celebration voice. And when Popcaan did this and Popcaan say, can't pull out.
Yo, man, I tell you, brother. Yo, a dancer space a youth. I tell you, you have to hold your own, dog. I tell you. Because knowing Notnice as a man, the man in the two talk, him humble and thing. So, him say, yo, Quada link him right for his song, and you don't know, really, man. Them do a thing. You see me, but Popcaan now make it release. You see it.
See, because really and truly, Quada sing celebration by himself. And I say, Quada, I don't like the chorus, so the chorus will live. I support me make. Javin she sing the chorus. You see? So when Popcaan says his song can't put out, Quada come tell me, say, dog, say his song can't put out. And I say, Quada, really, you need to do this fine. So if you're a boss, I can tell you, say his song can't put out. We just have to know it.
So, yo, Jano. So Quada want to release a song, but Popcaan I say, yo, can't put out. You understand? Can't put out, so I don't know the contract thing. I don't know what go on there, so. You see me, but it seems like Quada want put out something. Him feel like him up on a stall. You understand? And him a tell Notnice to do it. Although Popcaan say don't do it. You understand? Because him want, burn up the road and everything. What me say right here, so Notnice and look out for him. You understand? Cause if him have the chorus there, Notnice say, yo, get the Javinci. That was a bad song. Celebration. You see me? With him and Javinci, a bad song that, so it go on good. Good song for him, man. You see me? You're supposed to make some money off it and thing. You see it, so if Notnice, they say, yo, nah, put out nothing, then maybe we'll get that song there. You see it?
I say, yo, please, you need the strength there. And I say, everything. But once I drop this song, once the song drop, and I like him can't take up back his song. And all my for work out, he just work out. So I don't want the man to come talk, say, yo, with this and that, and who I bring for money. I go to 1 month and fire and come.
Yeah, studio.
Alright now. So this is the video where Quada do. And when I see the video, people, I say Quada, dog, I'm tell the people, Quada a good artist, a bad artist, me I tell you. You talented. But bro, you have to move militant, bro. You see me? You cannot make yourself look up on the media, dog. Cause the video where man do people, channel people, I truly even know. Yeah, man. The man, I know say after I do that video, I didn't know say I hate this film. You better never fall out and do the video, bro. Just deal with it, close door or something, bro. Cause you see say Popcaan and Notnice a warp on the media. Yeah, Notnice never call you out, basically, The man just say, yo, based on him and Popcaan thing, and him say, yo, you do reach out and ray. It's just a suggestion. But you know you gotta take up your wrong thing, dog, and forward out a ray and ray. You notice say Notnice call a lot of artists name. Even Jaffras never forward on the media and say nothing, bro. So that's why I try to show you, dog, say you should have never said nothing. It caused a problem there, so brother. And you look a fallout. You fall out with the two man about people. Listen to the video, you have Quada fall out after. Notnice.
When me a par, when you show me nothing about music, brother. When me hungry, I'm up here every day, no money. As they break me short as a producer, and say, oh, your voice and record song. Which point of them time? Me ever send your voice note about no Popcaan.
But it's so funny, Quada say, yo, you always a link Notnice. Knowing say, a Popcaan are your God. So why you always a link Notnice and Ray? You understand? You want put out music and Notnice you a link. Is it?
No Popcaan in no way. Brother, my father, I know him, I know you, I'm Popcaan. My boss, my dad. In real life, brother. See you. I'm Popcaan. And the whole unruly gang. Grizzly, the whole family, everybody. You see my brother? Oh, me if you burn out my dad on you. You have to tell me about contract and them things, brother. When I get contract, I don't know nothing about contract. Do you have my contract and I can't read my contract, brother. And I don't come go Calabar. You hear that, brother? It take me so long for you to sign my contract. That's me and my boss. My boss all I want if me a different people from me. You see what I say, brother?
You see with Uno now, bro. Uno don't take the game serious. Uno don't take it as business, bro. Uno take it as some little groupie and some fall around, brother. You're a bad artist, bro. And you are say, yo, you're not pre-contract. And yeah, briefly say, yo, that you loyal, no, I'm not sign no contract. Bro, them thing are mash up on a career, brother. You see what happened to you now? In 2026, you just found out of jail and a bag of thing. Eh? You see it? Where all of the man them they know. All of the man them cut left you. You see it? Sometimes you have to stay focused, bro, and do the right thing, my G. You see me?
You see me? When I get contract, I'm going to tell you I get contract. When I up again, I ask me what I want from my career or my contract, I go, why certain things not going in my career? Oh, this not going yet, oh, that not going yet, brother. You see me? Make it no straight, say, oh, man, I know nothing about no contract, nothing. Just I hold it with my God. Loyal, same way. Humble, brother. Never skip, no line. Never ball, never complain to nobody. They are going like say, yeah, young man, we go around Papa's Skull and feel away. No man, enough man there around Papa's Skull. And if we have a bad day around Papa's Skull, all never go up on a life with that, brother.
So there is the part where prove everything. So that make it sound like man they around you with their own papi and man them a complain about something and the man them have to just wall out. And that you come confirm the sign of that. A lot of things you talk in that video, brother, where papi maybe see it and just start pray. Because Notnice would not say something where you are forward and say certain things, my G. You understand? You're there on Popcaan, things not going right, but you say, yo, you rate the G and Ray, but you couldn't hold out, so you have to just say you're. You see me? Yeah.
Papa Skull our goal. Papa Skull make sure say all our known people know we brother. A man when we live for that brother dog. You hear me dog? Yeah brother. I see enough people say I go live and this up not nice. I not this brother. I'm father in the yard, I see my father cut your grass. I hear water fall out of my eye brother. I say nothing like when pocket full of cash. Sometimes I don't know Ja Vinci. I know Ja Vinci from the Gaza. I never mean Ja Vinci in my life. I know Ja Vinci, I may not give the strength because I'm a humble youth. Very humble dog. Enough time I see people that try to mash up me and Popcaan dog. And say, yo, Quada this, Quada that, Quada is a youth. You see me them youth.
But Quada, what want you do on Popcaan now? You see everything forward to reality in 2026? Brother, put on yourself first, put on a career first, yeah?
They're not loyal. Them man they go sell out Popcaan, brother. I'm not sell out. Me no shop. I bush my grow dog. Very, 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 very poor. Not nice, you want youth on my rate on a level dog. Cause when I did broke hungry, used to put me in your car, drive me, I got Popcaan, me and my kid them. And show me say, yeah man, that's why I used to sell CD. And man just humble themselves and tell themselves say that I want to do. Humble myself and sing music and make more money. Leave a beg, nothing, not handouts, nothing. Ask anybody, wild crooks. Very humble you. Me leave a trouble people, brother. Enough time things are going on, I'm just stay so. Cause one done me up. One done in a real life. Papa Skull. And them man they changed my life. Me never wear a closet and tell me no Popcaan. You see my brother? That me I tell you, me not in this for no money and nothing, brother.
People, you hear them money attack? The man say, yo, him never wear class in there on Popcaan. Him not there in the business. Him not do dancehall for money. It sound like him do dancehall for just there on Popcaan. Brother, yo, bro, there's don't have talent, you know, but I don't know where I'm with the dog. You see me? I don't know, you know, dancehall have a power on a follow back a man. That you try to say?
You see me? No money, no none of that, dog. Man just humble themselves with it. I smoke my weed and I sing my song, then so brother. You see me? Big man thing, dog. Brother, truly didn't even understand life. Enough bumbuckler thing. Them say wild crooks this and wild crooks that you. Dog, if me never know me I do dog, man, them sell me out long time. Or try say Quada than I try free and Popcaan, or try say Quada than I really out to Popcaan. And that me I tell you. Enough thing me hear some man say, boy, my boss people see me all the road and want that what Popcaan I do for me. Fuck sweet to the dog. Popcaan carry me to the platform already. One more no one. You want me tell Popcaan say me deep in my pocket and give me money. No, brother.
But man, I know that, bro. But the man there on him, G. You understand? That not nice. I say. Remember saying no, not nice. I ask you, what go on? Not nice. I try to give you strength. You see me? Not nice. I try to give you a song, but Popcaan I say, yo, that can't release. So that's how the people ask, what go on? You see me?
Just even par with bumbuckler Popcaan or just their own Popcaan are the greatest joy. That what me know. That what me used to wish for from before me there. So that's why my tattoo and ruling on my king, brother.
So you tell me, say, one of your wish of a dare on a man. How the bomb about this dog? Bro, like, brother, when you want do music and do business and make money and make enough R, when you just want dare on man, brother. That's one of your wish for dare on a man, bro. We don't see us in our business, brother. That's why things just don't really go to a certain level with me, G. You're supposed to play music and all of them things. The man say when I wish I feel just dare on the man to bombard. And then the man I go say, yo, you know do this in money. Then how you do it for? How you do it for?
One word get bumbuckler contract from you. Me don't know nothing about that, brother. The whole of way there in England. I'm here one word say what I feel month already say any day Popcaan give my contract right now. I'm ready for sign right now. Just give the paper. You know, feel like say Popcaan are we done in a real life. And them man they show we off for wise up, brother. A man will never diss the God. Never ever diss the God. No matter what.
Never. Okay, so that's why Popcaan, cause he saw him come confirm something I saw, you know. Him say, yo, one word that what him name? Jaffras, I think. Say, yo, any him get Popcaan, say, yo, sign him gone. Although this man they run not nice. What him name? Jaffras, you know. And then now, so see it confirm me, I say, no, say when Popcaan leave forward out and say, yo, you might like him that tell not nice, say, yo, anytime Jaffras boss, like him go cut left you. Or Ray. But see there? Jaja. So see him Quada did I confirm it? Guy look like Quada and Jaffras sit down on a reason. You see it?
Whatever this my God.
All the pop it for me tomorrow and say Quada than me not feel the energy you. Me never this Popcaan. Cause just wild cross this. Yeah, brother. I'm humble with that dog and I know that to dog. You know that to brother. You know that to brother from your father by your heart. When you call me and say celebration, brother. You call me and link me in the night and you say, yo, John, no dog. Me say, no man, not give no energy. Me say, their own Mark. Me say, Mark is a reflex for you. Nothing not going for you after that. No man not paying no attention. When you see me do brother, forward there, yeah, 11 o'clock in the night. I'm sing up to 4 o'clock in the morning. For me, morning song.
Bomba 11 o'clock in the night, the man saying go link Notnice and Vice till 4 o'clock in the morning and get the song. I must the same song with Javinci. Jano youth. But as you say, one I wish I could their own Popcaan, but boy, Jano, in a 2026, would I wish they gone now? Cause you have Popcaan now link now. You understand? How when you look on all them videos, you're supposed to feel shame on yourself, my G. You see me? Yeah, man, you're supposed to feel shame on yourself, bro. I tell you that, I don't know, brother, so my time, yo, the man I love man more than money to bombard. I tell you. The man I say, nah, do it for no money. And him wish I fit their own Popcaan to bombard. So what go on? Come by the dead jail with you, know. Brother, you see no young artist, bro. You for stay, building a brand, focus on the business, bro. You understand? You as an artist, you say you're an artist and you say, nah, do this for money. Then what your purpose then? For their own man? Good that I go carry go. You see a Popcaan alone reach out. Wait a benefit. What you get out of that? You see me?
I'm gonna hit song, brother. I'm just a sing but walk one around me, brother. Humble with it. Humble around you with it, brother. Nothing me hear at all, brother. Nothing. You tell me already say Popcaan and you're done. You see me? That's okay, brother. When me know you're Popcaan, brother. Me not bunny and Popcaan. Me not bunny no. I know nothing with you and Popcaan, brother.
Brother, you should have never forward and said nothing, my G. You see me? You should have cause when you forward out in after we not nice say no. You just forward out and talking about a thing, confirm it in a dog. You understand? You should have just never forward and say nothing, my G. You see it? At that, my G. You should have never forward and say nothing. You should have just hold your one when you see Notnice attack. Cause it's not like Notnice now try for this year or anything, you know. When Notnice are doing at the video, Notnice is that defend you. At that the man did that, the brother. I defend the man I defend, you know. You see, you can remember saying man Popcaan go England and him say you're not getting no money and one bag of thing and Ray. And the man just have defend and thing, but I don't know, brother. You just get caught up in a handsness. See there the two man them a link you now. You just afford from jail. See there? Come back to square one. Man them a family back again. You see it? So what you are gonna do now? So me try to show you say brother, read the business. And that I go live on, my G. You understand? Read the music. Because if you're not do it for money, why you do it for? What the purpose of doing it? If you say you do music, why you do it? You just do music just to do music, so? Nah, make no sense, brother. You see it?
If it's most when you do when you have a man round Popcaan or even Popcaan, if you want me, brother. Because enough time out there around each other, enough things start. Yeah, brother, man around you and you yourself to say, oh, John, no Popcaan did you like pussy. Brother, Papi, I would done. And if you want to count the good, them a Popcaan do for you. More than the bads, them if you agree that. Popcaan do more good for you. I mean, you know that, bro. Enough out there, know that, bro.
Wait the people. No, Notnice did say, I him carry Popcaan go on cartel. I him make cartel no Popcaan. So, when you check it, Notnice really do good for Popcaan. You understand? I can remember say, Notnice there with Popcaan sister. You see me? So, when you get go on Notnice, do good for him. You see me? Because if him never do that, he wouldn't have no Popcaan today. Yeah, Popcaan give him the strength at times, Ray, but would I say Notnice basically make people according to Notnice. You see me? Yeah, I make him know cartel and cartel send him a road. You see it? Yeah.
And I want family dog, one team, one dream. If you let me feel good for wake up and live life, I tell people, boy, yo, we not live good, brother. The whole of we are one family, brother. I mean, dog, I'm gonna tell you this, dog. You ever just tell the people them straight, say, after you give me the energy as an artist, you tell me straight, say, I want to reach them, make it do like artists again. Because artists not loyal. Come in and know where you want me to, brother. Come like you want to say. I'm not nicer because me say, I'm par with you every day. And I'm par with my boss. And my boss bring me to the forefront. Me sign to unroll it, bro. And you know that, bro. You see me, dog? You see me on stage show again, you tell me, you know.
But, oi, I don't understand. So him not say him get the contract and him not know him not sign the him not know nothing about the contract. I don't understand that, brother. But brother, look, the manager look out for you now, yo. I know you take up the corner, brother, and end up make man start pre and link cut and all of them thing there. Cause after you do this, a be a pre-man start going dog. You should never do that video, my G. You see me? But they just hold it and make maybe nobody would even pre it or say nothing, bro. Cause not nice talk about a lot of things, people in that situation. And none of them no come out. Are you alone forward out, brother? So it all look obvious. You see me?
Forward day and night, you know. Country I want stage show, I can't remember which part I'm in Jamaica, and I'm about far part, you know. Either way up there and myself come here and say, Jano, make me team, bro. When me I go singing at night, I want to be me line up. I'm a link, bro. I'm a say to yourself, where you think I go up on the stage go sing? You say me a pussy dog. I'm not for the family them, so. Cause me feel my mind on my own. Yeah, dog. Like me I tell dog, you say me feel my mind on my own, brother. You say me can't run back and me can't deal with my family them, so. And then, I expect so when I see up on the road, if we don't start, oh, my dear brother. When I get one song, the man say, me turn big star now. I humble with it, dog. Humble with it. What you think, Gwan?
So look at now. Him a go say, him say a while ago, what you think, Gwan? After all of them clip there, you know. He might try to defend for himself, you know. Here, where am I going to tell you what, Gwan?
I lost.
Pre-mans?
And I really mean get the side another stick there because them are still family. I never jump in on one thing. You just call my name at the time.
So that was it.
Brother, the man called the man called Jaffra's name. I think him called Animosity. None of the man them never forward out, brother. Are you alone forward out? So you put yourself in that waters, them G. You understand? You shouldn't forward out and say nothing. Cause at the end of the day, not nice. You just see that suggest something. You matter about everything. You see me? Based on the local situation, we go and say, him and Popcaan go UK and him not get no funds. So basically, man, I say, yo, him not Popcaan not treat him good, and him not treat the artist them they run him good. But you now go pick up the can and kind of expose yourself, my G. So that's why pre-men start going after that. You see me? But listen, people.
The leading cause of the fallout
was everything.
Okay.
That and come here not nice now. Still bless him at the time. Still send him DM and them thing there and big him up and make him know say we learn certain thing and we see certain thing and yeah, it is what it is.
So alright, so like how we can say again, family always find back them way. And if I'm with me sick, now me know, but if I'm with me sick, them good now and have understanding.
Sure.
Is it possible for okay.
Jump on one journey, Jerry Frame. Every man have to figure out them part in their life. Me figure out mine, brother.
So wait the Quada. Now you saying that video say Popcaan and your God, man. Oh, everything changed now. Oh, everything changed now. Reality hit you now. And you were telling that nice a while ago say Popcaan and your God, you know. And your wishes for their own Popcaan, you know. So where all of that gone now? The man simple ask you say, yo, like how Popcaan and Notnice start link up back. That means say you and them and you say no. You find your way. Me understand still, cause when you dey jail and thing, nobody no come give you no link and give you no strength. Me understand, but sometimes I say something in the media, bro. You see me, and it end up come on to no back in the future, my G. You see me? But one day thing, dog. You see me? You're a talented artist. You see me? Yeah, man. You have the potential to reach out there, brother. Still young, same way in your career and thing. So just go and put out some work and something and do your thing, dog. You see me? Sometimes you make some mistake. You just make sure you learn from that, brother, and go back in the same situation when I, you see me? Yeah, man, just do the thing, do the music. And do it for the money, dog. Stop talking about, yo, when I do this, you know, money. Oh, you gotta feed your family and feed your kids. You understand? I work, you know. I'm not chicken in a jerk, dog. You see it?
Don't get me wrong, I'm grateful, you know, brother. I'm tell Jeffrey, dog, when I get to you, dog, I never have nothing, you know. So I'm singing a reflex, say, if I never feel, me would just, you know, play. So I'm a the dog, them say, anyone of my friend, them can tell you, if you're my dog, me can't tell you that. You would have real Quada. And I'm on the thing, and the real thing, if we have family, we have family. We don't know naturally we are humans and we have feelings, bro. So certain thing, if we can't stand for certain things, right, alright? Not sure to see that, brother.
So any reach out in these times, like
no.
From
alright. We have to know to you know, Jay. Them time when I sing them song, they fight and I sing them song, they know, bro, God. Hungry, I want to bust some of that studio, you know. So the producer come with rhythm. Me have voice. Song I put out, you know the reflex, you know the tint, you know the eel, you know the celebration, you know the new girl alert. Them time me there in the studio, them Jeffrey, me
hungry feet.
Anyway, then me want that voicing session here tonight now.
But Quada, you say you not do it for the money, dog. So oh, you're hungry. Do you understand? You say you not do it for the money, and then what then? No, you realize reality hit now, and now you realize what go on. You see me? As me say, go on do what you do. Is it?
Always I work. Always I do it. Enough people no link. Jigs off, energy change. Me no know what go on like. You want premium or what, bro? God. Me hold my own J for you, bro.
So
Yeah, man, hold your own, dog. You learn your lesson. You understand? Yeah, man, you have a potential, you're a bad artist. Do what you have to do. You see it? You know, you get a little chance to do a road, you know? Yeah. But people, big up on yourself. Yeah, man, you don't know 1 media fax pan up. Yeah, man, that is it.